all doing? So I'm just from running errands in Westlands and craving shawarma, and then I asked my husband to take me to the best place we consider to have the best shawarma in town. So some of you may know the place, some of you may not know the place. So come with me and then I get to show you where the place is. So we got to town, picked a few things, then headed to the location. The restaurant is just next to Nation Center. You can't miss it. It was quite busy, I think because today was a Friday evening, I don't know, but let's see how the restaurant looks like. The aesthetics of the restaurant were so good and the customer service top notch. We got a table at the balcony and waited to be served. The waitress took our orders and the shawarma was to take approximately 10 minutes. You'll have to wait. They served us with the drinks first. I had a cocktail drink and my husband had iced tea. There's just something about City Star's iced tea. Even without adding the sweetener, it tastes so good. Finally, the shawarmas came. We ordered 3 because you just can't have one. One is never enough, Yeah. I know you're going to ask me about the price. Imagine you're not going to break your bank on these shawarmas. One plate goes for 300 bob and it comes with the fries. And there is another one that goes for 500 bob and the fries are much more than these ones. When having fries or anything potato-like, where do you place your ketchup? Are you the one who spreads it all over the fries, over the potatoes, or you just place it on the side of your plate? How do you do it? Tell me down in the comment section. Let me tell you something. You see, when you go to have meals in City Star, every bite you take is worth every coin you paid for. It is time to have a bite of the shawarma. Every bite you take, it's so flavorful. You get to get the flavors of the chicken, of the sauces inside, of the pita bread. This thing is so flavorful. I've had shawarmas from different places in town, and honestly speaking, this one is it. It's not dry, it's not soggy, it's just perfect. You understand? You have to try it so that you can get what I'm saying, and you're not going to break your bank. It's just only 300 bob, and it comes with the fries. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this is not a sponsored ad. It's just me giving my honest review of this shawarma and the food from City Star. I'll be doing this more often from different restaurants. So just tell me where you want me to go and I'll be there to review the food. At this point, we had finished both our shawarmas and we still wanted more, but we had only ordered 3, so I took the only one left, cut it into 2 halves and shared one with my husband and had the other one. I know you're waiting for me to rate this shawarma. I'll give it an 8.5 to 9 out of 10. If you've tested shawarmas from different places and you think the ones that you've tested are better, kindly tell me down on the comment section and probably I'll pay a visit to that place. I'll be reviewing a different shawarma joint in a different town very soon, so keep that locked. If you go to City Star and try the shawarma there, kindly tell me down on the comment section and tell me how it was for you and rate it down for me. I'll be waiting for those comments. So that was my time at City Star. I enjoyed every bit of it. The customer service was amazing. The ambience was amazing. The food, I can't talk about it because I've already told you the food was so good. If you're new here, welcome to the Sueh gang. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.